Hello, everybody. We have so many things to do today, but we don't have much time, so let's get started, okay? Take a look. Over here, I've got cookies. Yummy. Many cookies. Many cookies. One cookie, many cookies. How many cookies have we got over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cookies. Many cookies. Yummy. Okay. Next we've got earrings. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many earrings. Many. Okay. We can even put an earring. Just a moment. Many earrings in the box. Okay. Now we've got many bananas. Yummy. I like bananas. Do you like bananas? Yes, yummy. Many bananas. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. Many bananas, right? Excellent. What's next? Let's take a look. Just a moment. Now we've got glasses, right? Many glasses. 1, 2, 3. Many glasses. Okay. What's next? Next is rice. Can you see rice? Rice. Can we count rice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's impossible to count rice. No counting. So we've got much rice. Okay? You see? Much rice. Much rice. Many cookies. Okay? Much, many. Do you get it? Can you say much rice? Thank you. And many cookies. Yes, excellent. Okay, now what's next? What have we got here? Milk. Much milk. Much milk. And here's water. Much water. Okay? Can you say much? Much water. Many bananas. Much, many. Okay? Thank you so much for being here today with me. Thank you for learning English with me. If you have any questions at all, you can post comments on the blog and you can take a look at those links below. Thank you so much for learning. Let's speak English and I hope to see you again, okay? Goodbye now.